Welcome to a world of endless possibilities in the realm of artificial intelligence. In 2025, the landscape of AI is more dynamic than ever, and the skills you can acquire online are poised to transform your future. Today, we explore the top AI skills you can learn from anywhere in the world, be it the bustling streets of New York, the historic avenues of London, or the vibrant cityscapes of Singapore. Let's dive into the skill set that will keep you ahead of the curve. Starting with machine learning, the backbone of AI innovation. This skill empowers you to create algorithms that learn and improve over time, driving advancements in everything from healthcare to entertainment. Next up is data science. In an era where data is king, mastering data science enables you to analyze and interpret complex data sets, providing insights that shape business strategies and scientific research. Moving on to natural language processing. As AI becomes more conversational, understanding how machines comprehend and respond to human language is crucial. This skill is key for developing chatbots and enhancing user interaction. Computer vision is another fascinating area. It allows machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. With applications ranging from autonomous vehicles to facial recognition technology. As we look towards the future, deep learning stands out. This subset of machine learning focuses on neural networks, mimicking the human brain to solve complex problems such as climate modeling and advanced medical diagnostics. And let's not forget about robotics. The integration of AI in robotics is revolutionizing industries, from manufacturing to personal assistance, making it an essential skill for the tech-savvy individual. Finally, we have AI ethics. As AI continues to evolve, understanding the ethical implications is critical. This skill ensures that AI advancements are aligned with societal values and moral principles. The challenge of staying relevant in a rapidly evolving AI world is real. However, by embracing these skills through online platforms, you're not just learning, you're preparing to lead. Whether you're in the heart of Germany or the scenic landscapes of Iceland, these skills are accessible at your fingertips, paving the way for a future brimming with opportunities. So, are you ready to embark on this journey of self-improvement and innovation? Remember, the future belongs to those who prepare for it today. Let these AI skills be your guide to a successful tomorrow. Thank you for joining us on this exciting exploration of AI skills available in 2025. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep learning.